Health insurance policies will soon have a color coding system to show whether a product is simple, moderate, or complex. Green would mean simple, while red would reflect a complex product. Each health insurance product will be assigned a score as per the product features and type of covers according to the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Let's see how it works. While green is a desirable zone for health insurance providers, only products with a score of 2 or less will come under this category. Orange products will come with a score of more than 2 and less than 4, while those above 4 and up to 6 will be red. So what are the parameters to decide the score? 7 parameters with an equal weightage of 14.28% will be considered to arrive at a score. They include the number of optional covers offered, waiting period, percentage of copay, number of treatments where sublimits are applicable, deductibles, number of permanent exclusions, and simplicity of terms. But first, let's see what each factor will entail. Optional covers and copay. A score of 0.6 will be given for every optional cover in the product. If a health insurance product has 5 optional covers, for example, the score of the product on this parameter will be 3. Copay in health insurance is the percentage of the claim amount that has to be borne by the policy holder. If the copay is 10%, for example, the insurance company will pay 90% of the claim. A score of 0.3 is given for every 1% rise beyond the 5% copay. In case there are 2 copay options of 10% and 20%, the average copay will be 15%. Waiting period and sublimit. A waiting period is the period where claims for pre-existing diseases will not be paid. A score of 0.15 is given for every month of the waiting period. For example, if the maximum waiting period in a health product is 18 months, the score will be 2.7. A score of 0.6 is given for every disease placed under the sublimit. In the case of multiple options, the maximum copay offered will be considered. For example, if health product has 6 diseases under sublimits, the score will be 3.6. Deductibles. A deductible is an amount a policy holder has to pay before the insurance company starts paying up. For example, if the deductible in a health insurance policy is Rs 20,000 and the Mediclaim is Rs 40,000, the insurance company is liable to pay only Rs 20,000. IRDAI has said that a score of 0.3 is given for every 1% of deductible in the policy. If a health policy has a deductible of 10%, the score will be 3. Similarly, when it comes to permanent exclusions or diseases and treatments for which insurers won't pay, a score of 0.6 will be given for every permanent exclusion. If a health policy has 5 permanent exclusions, the score for this parameter will be 3. Standard terms and definition. A score of 0.1 is given for every definition, general clause and exclusion which differ from standard definitions notified by the IRDAI. For example, if there are 20 definitions, 20 clauses and 5 exclusions in the product other than standard ones, the score will be 4.5. The weighted average scores of all the 7 parameters are then added together to get the final score of the product. The regulator has asked stakeholders to present their views on this color coding system by October 15th.